I'm Ogado Kumu. I represent Embakasi Ward. One thing we wish to remind Governor Sonko is a failure from the onset, and he should be aware that is a failure. NMS would have not come if he was performing. Sonko has all along been pretending to be launching even projects and programs, of which none of them he has done. He has been launching things which are being done by Kura or Kera. Ask him anything he has done from the county government. The guy has done nothing. But with the coming of the Nairobi Metropolitan, we can assure you, particularly my ward, Embakasi, I have been chasing for a borehole, one borehole for the last 4 years, and I was not able. With the coming of the general, already within 1 week, I have 5 of them. So that can clearly tells you that that is a replica in each and every ward. Governor Sonko keeps on pretending to be a very rich man. I've always raised this issue. This man is not rich. The man is a big pretender. Try to tell him not to pay pending bills. He will have nothing. The man literally takes 40% from every contractor, 40%, which means even the contractor themselves, the work they are doing, those are shoddy jobs. How do you part with 40% of the money you have worked for? That definitely clearly tells us that even the work you did may be nihewa. So we want to warn Governor Sonko to stop using money meant for emergency, pretending to be using his Sonko rescue team. Sonko rescue team has no money. They are using money from liquor and disaster management. That is the money he has been using. So now we are going to pick on them, and any officer who is in office and have been really condoning that, then they must be prepared to face the music. So one thing we love to remind Sonko is that he's not going to impeach Elachi. If he is trying that, I think in any case, we sponsored his motion to be removed. We are going to get back to that, and we are going to remove him because he's already a failure. We really don't care about him. But in any case, by tomorrow, we are going to start the impeachment motion about Sonko because he has let us down. We have got nothing to do with him. He should allow Major Generali to continue serving the people of Nairobi. That is what we are saying. And also, I would like to plead with the state. You see, when we are trying to remove this man, the state intervened. And I've never been happy about it. The state should allow us to operate, to do our work. We want to remove Sonko. We don't want anybody from the state to come and interfere. They should allow members of the county assembly to do their work. We don't want to be called to stop impeaching Sonko. We want to impeach Sonko. Instead of impeaching Elachi, by next week, it will be another story. We'll be impeaching Sonko.